Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 22 plate. This is a plug-in hybrid car. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of it, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see we've got alloy wheels, 5 doors, tinted windows, and those Volvo roof bars as well. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open remotely from the key, or you can open the tailgate from the car itself. As we approach the back of the vehicle there, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well. Currently all 7 seats are in place, as you can see. So I'll show you what it's like with the 2 rear seats folded down. And there you can see we have loads of boot space. The car also comes with these vinyl boot liners, which would have been an additional extra when this car was purchased new. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can firstly see that the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the inside of the driver's side door, although the passenger side door looks exactly the same as this, in that you've got 3 different memory settings for the electrically adjustable seats and a Harman Kardon hi-fi system, as you can see. And then onto the dials next. Starting on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer, the digital readout for the speedometer, and beneath that, the total miles for the car, which at the time of filming this video are 11,778. Over on the right-hand side, you'll be able to see how much of the car's power you're using in relation to the hybrid motor. Within that, what gear you're in, and below that, the fuel gauge and battery charge level. You can see in the center at the minute, we have the satellite navigation being displayed. You can change that information should you wish to for any of the menus you see me cycling through, and that is done using the buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. We've also got voice activation here. On the left-hand side, we have cruise control for the car, and over into the center, the main touch screen. So this button at the bottom will always take you back to this home screen. From there, you can access any of the things that you see laid out for you. So satellite navigation, really nice, clear color display, very easy to use. Again, back to the home screen, you can access your audio options from there. And down the left-hand side, you'll be able to access your radio. You'll be able to listen to your own music as well. And again, back to the home screen, you can pair your phone from under there, and any car messages, any status messages, warning messages, etc. will come up in that bottom section. At the very bottom, if you tap here, it'll open up your climate control menu. So we can adjust the passenger temperature either by sliding or tapping whichever temperature you would like within the car. You can close that down so that you're then back into this menu where you'll be able to increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car as well. And then on the top, you can turn your air conditioning off, back on again. You can turn on your heated front screen, your heated rear screen. Down here, you can turn on your heated steering wheel, heated driver's seat, and over this side, the heated passenger seat. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll also see the full color reversing camera, which has guidelines showing you what direction the car is headed in relation to that image being shown on the screen. Working our way down, we then have the main volume for the stereo just here, your 12-volt charging socket and some storage, the gear lever, of course, for the fully automatic gearbox. Park is on this button, everything else is on the lever itself. To start the vehicle, you rotate this dial, so I've just turned it off and back on again. It's currently in its hybrid mode, so completely silent, of course, and you have your electronic handbrake and auto hold function. To start the car, just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. The last thing I wanted to talk about are is the panoramic sunroof that you can see here. So you can open the sun blind all the way to the back of the car. You can leave it like that, and as you'll see, it lets in a huge amount of light to the cabin area. If you wish to, though, you can open the front sunroof just here, as you can see. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.